Hey guys, Dan here. 2018 Jeep Renegade. I will show you how to reset the oil life or oil light after an oil change. If you're getting this oil change required, all you have to do is shut off the ignition, shut off the car, put the ignition on. So once the ignition is on, scroll down to your oil change required and push the gas pedal 3 times within 5 seconds. So 1, 2, 3. So once you do that, shut it off, start the car, and the light should be reset. So we got the daytime running light, license plate, no more oil service. So really simple. Ignition on, scroll to your oil life reset or oil life indicator, push gas pedal 3 times within 5 seconds, shut off the ignition, start the car, and you're good.